Hi, this is Debbie Papadakis. I look forward to seeing you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Education Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts from August 12th to 14th. Please join me on Friday, August 12th at 9 a.m. for my workshop, The Relationship Code, Heal Your Wounded Heart. The presentation is designed to give you the tools to help your clients achieve the best relationship possible, demonstrate how the relationship system works with a live demonstration. This information is based on my 25 years of experience working with clients and on my new book, The Relationship Code, Heal Your Wounded Heart. I will be covering the following topics: how to uncover the underlying issue that hinders your client's successes, the steps required to overcome emotional blocks and obstacles created by painful past experiences, apply specific techniques to transform negative emotions into positive ones using the relationship code system. Now, if you wish to really help your clients and improve your practice, this workshop is for you. I look forward to sharing my program with you, and most importantly, I look forward to meeting you at this year's National Guild of Hypnotists Convention. Thank you very much and have a great day.